Hi students, now let's look at question number 6 of page number 204. Please look at question number 6. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Question number 6. The question is given a 1.5 meter tall boy. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter high building. So the boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter high building. So the total height of the building is 30 meter high building. So the boy is standing at some 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter high building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. When the boy walks from this point to a point to another point, let this be the point. Okay, so when the boy started to walk from this point to another, the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the tower, from this point the angle of elevation to the top of the tower, it was 30 degree. So we'll draw a horizontal line here. The angle of elevation was 30 degree. The angle of elevation increases from 30 to 60 degree when he walks towards the building. So let this be the point where the boy reaches when it is 60 degree. So the angle of elevation from this point to the top of the tower, it is what? 60 degree. Hope it is clear. The angle of elevation increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Okay. Now the question is find the distance he walked towards the building. Finally the question is find the distance from this point to this point he walked, so that the angle of elevation changes from 30 to 60 degree. In that case, the question is find the distance he walked, that is from this point, let this be the point A, B, here B, C. So what's the distance he walked? So this distance we need to find out. So let this be X. Okay, so that is, here we can take, this is a triangle. So the triangle formed is D, this be the point E, and this be the point F. So let the distance he walked be X, and the total height of the building, it is given 30 meter. So when we are considering this triangle BEF, the two triangles are triangle BEF and triangle BDF. BDF. So when we consider this triangle, the length of BF, that is 30 meter, the total length it is given, total height it is given, that is what? Total height, if you are taking here G, BG it is given 30. So but we need only BF for this triangle, isn't it? So we will subtract 1.5 from 30. So that is what? 30 minus 1.5, that is 28.5. Okay, so the length of BF, it is 28.5. Now we need to find the common side of the two triangles, isn't it? So common side for the two triangles BEF and BDF is BF, but there is a condition that the length of the common side should not be given. But here we have already got the length of the common side, it is what? BF equal to 28.5, it's already got. So what we will do is we'll just try to find out the other common side. So when we look at EF, so BEF, if we are taking Y is there, the common side EF is there, and BDF also, this EF is included. So in this question we will consider the common side as EF. Okay, so that is Y is the common side, so we will make two equations using Y. So we'll start writing answer, right? We'll solve now. So for that first triangle, we'll select in triangle, BEF. In triangle BEF, tan 60 equal to opposite, that is BF, by adjacent, that is EF. The value of tan 60 is root 3 equal to BF, it is 28.5 by Y. Here we know Y is a common side, so I will try to make an equation using Y, that is Y equal to 28.5 by root 3, which is equation 1. Now when we look at the second triangle, that is BDF, in triangle BDF, tan 30 equal to opposite, that is BF by adjacent. In this triangle, the adjacent side is DF, isn't it? BF by DF. So tan 30, we know that is 1 by root 3 equal to BF, that is again 28.5 by DF, that is X plus Y. We need to make an equation using Y. So for that, X plus Y we will take here, so that X plus Y equal to 28.5 root 3. Therefore, Y equal to 28.5 root 3 minus X, which is equation 2. So now we got two equations. Equation 1, Y equal to 28.5 by root 3 and Y equal to 28.5 root 3 minus X. Now finally, to get the value of X, we have to equate both the equations. From equation 1 and equation 2, we can equate the RHS. So that is what? 28.5 by root 3 equal to, here it is, 28.5 root 3 minus X, isn't it? Minus X. We have to find the value of X. Here, since X is negative, we will take X to the other side. So that is X is positive here. 28.5 root 3 minus this 28.5 when we are taking to the other side, 28.5 by root 3. Okay, so now this will be equal to what? 28.5 root 3 into root 3, it will be 28.5 into 3 minus 28.5 by root 3. Okay students, root 3 into root 3 we got here, that is 3. So that's equal to what? Now here we can take 28.5 outside, which is common now. Here 28.5 minus 28.5. So we'll take it outside, that is 28.5 of 3 minus 1 by root 3. Okay, so that's equal to what? 28.5 into 3 minus 1, that is 2. 28.5 into 2, that is what? 57. Okay, I'll solve here. So that's equal to what? So that's equal to 28.5 into 2, that is 57 by root 3. Okay, now here this we can rationalize the denominator. So that is 57 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3, isn't it? Root 3. That is 57 root 3 by 3. That is what? That is equal to 19 root 3. Hope it is clear. Yeah, 19 root 3. Please take to notebook, students.